How to make money online if you're a teenager. Hey, are you tired of being broke as a teenager? Want to learn how to make money online? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you some easy and legitimate ways to make money from the comfort of your own home. Online surveys. Companies are always looking for feedback on their products, and they're willing to pay for it. Sign up for online survey sites like Survey Junkie or Swagbucks and start earning cash for your opinions. Selling on online marketplaces. If you're a creative person, you can make money by selling your handmade crafts or vintage finds on sites like Etsy or eBay. You can also sell items you no longer need on platforms like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. Freelancing. If you have a skill, such as writing, graphic design, or programming, you can find freelance work on sites like Upwork or Fiverr. Affiliate marketing. If you have a blog or a YouTube channel, you can earn money by promoting other people's products and earning a commission on each sale. Watch YouTube, TikTok, and other social media videos. Companies will pay $25 to $50 per hour for someone to find new trends, which teenagers are usually closest to. If you would like access to this opportunity, click the link in the description below. Online tutoring. If you're good at a subject, you can make money by tutoring students online. Platforms like Chegg and TutorMe allow you to connect with students who need help. Please like and subscribe. These are just a few ideas to get you started. Remember, the key to making money online is to be persistent and to try different things until you find something that works for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.